Teaching resources, AI embedded cloud test papers and automatic grading. This short video demonstrates the process of embedding AI into test papers using the cloud platform, specifically focusing on the operational skills of automatic marking. To begin, select the cloud platform from the HiTeach resource area, click on Materials and open the exam paper page. From there, click the Edit button to redirect to the website. Once confirmed, the test paper editing page will open. To create a new assessment, click the New Exam Paper button in the upper right corner. After the question selection and paper compilation page appears, enter the name and total score of the test paper to begin editing. Click the Add Question button and once the new question page loads, set the relevant attributes including cognitive level, question type, difficulty, and the question stem. You must also define the answer type, reference answers, explanation, AI rate prompts, and remediation resources. It allows you to enhance questions by inserting pictures and multimedia files such as videos, music, and formulas. Finally, press the Confirm button to complete the first question, then continue this process for the remaining items. Once you've added your questions, you'll have a complete exam paper ready to go. While managing the exam paper, you can use the Unfold All button to view the detailed content of every question, or click the Exam File Analysis button to display a two-way detailed analysis table. From here, you can view the distribution of question types, the balance between subjective and objective questions, as well as distributions for difficulty levels and key concepts. Once satisfied, you must press the Save Exam button to ensure the edited test paper is stored on the cloud platform. Once the exam paper is saved, you can find it in the HiTeach resource area. Go ahead and click it now to test your paper. Before that, start your lesson and select a class. Before moving forward, please make sure all students are successfully connected. Next, navigate to the resource area and select the Cloud tab. Within the Cloud platform, choose Material and then click on Exam Paper. Once you've located the specific paper you need, simply click the Download button. When students have finished answering or after a few students have entered sample correct and wrong answers, press the Stop Test button and click Confirm. Once system has collected the answers and the bar chart is presented, you can initiate the evaluation. Simply click the AI grading button, and the system will automatically grade all student submissions for you. This concludes the process of building AI embedded cloud test papers and utilizing AI for automated grading.